Navigate to the stop loss tab, where we activate the function and set the stop loss to 2%. Now we navigate to the sell line tab and activate it. We set it to 4.2% and it set its growth factor to 30% and its shrink factor to 10%. We will have an advanced tutorial on this soon. Here again we set a limit order, so it is more likely that our automated trade will be picked up. Then we hit save. We can now see the stop loss and the sell line on the chart as we zoom in. You could turn off auto scale to get a better view of our visualized strategies. We can see that the trailing stop and the sell line are very close together, so we decide to set the sell line to 4.9%. Now press save and you are done. For more tutorials, updates and more, be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, as well as visit our Twitter and Medium.